Nicaragua, land of lakes and volcanoes, of honest, hard-working people, land where best coffees in the world is produced. To speak of Nicas Coffee is to evoke a family tradition that evolves over time. Nicaragua, its elevation, fertile soil, climate, geographic position, passion and love shared for generations, bringing together craftsmanship and modern science, transforming it into unsurpassable quality. A good coffee depends on its good flavor to meet the strict Nicas Coffee standards. Nicas supervises the whole coffee process step by step with expert collaborators with many years of experience. In the high altitude of Nicaragua's northern regions, different varieties of coffee are planted under the shade of formidable trees that contribute to a paradise for coffee production. Trees that protect the coffee from sun and wind, and together they form natural forests. This allows the conservation of native plants and animals, birds in particular. Under these conditions, each plantation generates oxygen and regulates the humidity and the temperature of our planet. Besides, shade-grown coffee has better aroma and flavor. Once the coffee tree produces its fruit, the ripe cherries are picked one by one to be taken the same day to the wet processing plant, controlling the order and hygiene in all its stages. The cherries pass to their first wash, where the green and damaged fruit is removed, leaving the good fruit ready to be depulped in special machines that need to be perfectly cleaned and calibrated to achieve proper conditioning and not damage the beans when they see the light for the first time. The clean, selected beans are spread on concrete patios where they dry naturally under the sun until they achieve the appropriate humidity level. Then the taster takes small samples of coffee to verify their quality. During the roasting process, the different coffee flavors are generated. The flavor depends on the time of the roast, since upon raising the internal temperature of the bean, the natural sugars caramelize, giving the light roast its brown color. At higher temperatures, the natural oils come to the surface, giving the bean the dark luster of the dark roast. Finally, after a specific roasting time, the coffee is immediately packed in a special plastic and aluminum bag which helps preserve the freshness and aroma of the coffee. This is achieved with a one-way valve that keeps air out while allowing gases to escape the bag. In the production of Nicas Coffee, all the processes are carefully and strictly watched over by experienced coffee producers, but above all with a great passion and love of coffee, fulfilling all the requirements to be one of the best coffees in the world, from our plantation to your cup. Now the coffee is ready to be sent to your home. That is how we guarantee the freshness of Nicas Coffee.